many students requested me to upload the lecture of strategic management. So I have decided to explain you about the basic BCG model. Okay. So this is one analytical tool, and there is number of analytical tool conceptual model have been developed for executives to assign business strategies before making a choice. And these models are, as you know, the first one is BCG model, and that is second one is top light strategy model, third one is direction policy matrix, that is DPM model, fourth one is product market evaluation matrix, and fifth one is product impact market strategy, that is PIMS model, and Arthur D. Little companies matrix. But today I am going to explain you about the BCG model. Okay, so let me tell you what is the BCG model. See, BCG matrix is a chart, as you seen, used by BCG Boston Consulting Group under the chairman Bruce D. Henderson in 1970s. It required careful analysis of each product line, product market segment as a separate SBU. The SBU stands for strategic business units, so that each product line may assign to a specific strategy. It is also known as portfolio planning model. Okay, in as much as it involves the allocation of resources according to a strategic perspective of each business segment within the total portfolio. Now the question is, what is portfolio? A business portfolio is the collection of SBU. SBU stand for strategic business unit. That makes a corporation. Okay. Now the BCG model. What is the BCG model? As you see that BCG, it is a Boston Consulting Group. It's categorized product line into 4 categories. That is star, question mark, cash cow, and dog. And you can see that in vertically it is relative measures is business growth rate, and horizontally it is market share. And there is 2 parameter, high, low, high, low. Now what is BCG? So why it required to need implementing BCG model? That means, what is the usefulness of BCG model? See, this model is developed to analyze the problem of resource deployment. BCG matrix is said to be capable of assigning broad product market strategy to product on the basis of market growth rate and relative market share. The question is, see, many companies are producing multiple product line. How do they know what is profitable, which product line is profitable, which product line is not profitable, which is only stagnant to the company? So there is some relative measures. They are going through that, and they are categorizing product into specific areas, and then they are assigning specific strategies to the specific product lines. Okay. Now BCG is an effective tool of strategy formulation. As I already explained, we are making strategy through the BCG matrix. Okay. BCG matrix is an analytical tool in brand marketing, product management, strategic management, and portfolio analysis. BCG matrix provide a guideline for classifying company according to their need, specifically cash or finance requirement. BCG matrix help to determine those products that represent opportunity for investment, those that generate investment, and those drain funds, which product line should be divested. Now as you see, this is the categorization of product. Now introduction stage, this is the question mark. Okay, see, question mark is in high growth rate as well as it has low market share. This is basically an introduction stage of products. The question mark are the product business whose relative market share as low but have high growth potential. As you see, high growth potential है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसका market share नहीं, because it is in introduction, it is new to the market. These products are in introduction stage of life cycle. Cash generation is less compared to cash requirement. It requires lot of investment in form of advertisement, so that people can know that product and they can buy it. Okay, these product requires additional fund to improve its market share. Since it new product in the market, if it improve its market share, it becomes star. अगर ये improve करेगा, इसका market share low से अगर high की तरफ जाता है, then it will become a star. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not improve its market share, then it become dog also. Okay. So what is the strategy behind the question mark? स्ट्रेटजी वेदर टू ट्राई फॉर अ स्टार, एक तो कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट न्यू प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट के लिए ये स्टार बन जाए मार्केट में, इसको अच्छा मार्केट शेयर अचीव कर पाए सो दैट इट बिकम स्टार। सेकेंड, होल्ड द करंट पोजीशन, जिस पोजीशन में अभी उसको होल्ड करके रखना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट कैन बी डाइवेस्टेड। अगर इट बिकम डॉग देन इट इज द स्ट्रेटजी, इट हैज द स्ट्रेटजी ओनली टू डाइवेस्ट। ओके, then how it when question mark becomes star, then it is the market leader because it has high growth rate as well as you can see high market share also. Star are the product who successfully possess the introduction stage, who successfully passed actually जो स्टार जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बहुत काफी अच्छे से सफलतापूर्वक क्वेश्चन मार्क के स्टेज को, इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेज को पार करके स्टार बन गया है। सो इट बिकम मार्केट लीडर, दे जनरेट इनफ कैश टू मेंटेन देयर हाई शेयर ऑफ द मार्केट, दे आर यूजुअली प्रॉफिटेबल एंड फ्यूचर कैश काउज। अगर ये काफी टाइम तक यहाँ पे रहता है और इन केस अगर ऐसा होता है कि इसका बिजनेस ग्रोथ रेट वो लो हो जाता है, देन इट बिकम कैश काउ। ओके, so the farmers start feeling the experience curve effect. What is the experience curve? Experience curve is, it means they are utilizing same distribution channel, they are acquiring goods from the same supplier, so they are getting experience curve effect. Experience curve effect, the implication of experience curve effect is that every time they are using same distribution channel, so it decrease their cost of production 20 to 30%, and it has learning curve effect also. Learning curve, that means people are many times they are doing things repeatedly, that will increase the efficiency, same time it will decrease the cost of unit जो होता है वो कम होता है because they are using less time to less time for the production. Okay, now what is the strategy? Strategy means star generally pursue growth strategy. It is a market leader, so it has growth strategy like backward integration कर सकते हैं, forward integration कर सकते हैं. Since star are growing rapidly and have advantage of achieving high market share, they provide firm best profit and growth opportunity also. Okay, now since star when it grow it become cash cow. Okay, this is the growth stage, this is the introduction stage. Now it gone for the maturity stage of product life cycle. So cash cow has, you can see that it has low growth rate but still it has large market share. I can put some example like मैं कैडबेरी की बात करूं कि लोग people are telling chocolate instead of chocolate they are telling Cadbury. Okay, now like noodles, अगर noodles की बात करते हैं तो people are not telling noodles, they are always mentioning Maggi. They are the cash cow of the product. It not require much advertisement on that product. Okay, so cash cow produce lot of money for the company. The important strategy feature of cash cow is that they are generally high cash return which can be used to finance other product line or businesses. In comparison with star performer, cash cow can expect little serious competition because at that time यहाँ पे जो repeater जो होते हैं, जो imitator होते हैं, they also start producing products also. So the strategy employed in respect of cash cow without having long term prospect harvest to increase short term cash flow without considering the long term effect. Now this is the last stage, or you can say last category, that is known as dog. Question mark also can become dog or cash cow when it decline, when it mature, this product is mature in the market, then it also fall into the dog category. Dog are the product have weak market share and low growth rate, and so market will low market share and limited growth potential termed as dog. क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसका न सिर्फ इसका growth rate low हो गया है बल्कि इसका market share भी low हो गया है. So dog should allowed to die, or you can say deletion is option before the management. Since dog held little promise for the future and a question mark unable to obtain a dominant position in the market share, by the time growth rate inevitably slow, it becomes dog. So they become prime candidate for the divestiture. यहाँ पे divestment ज़्यादा suitable है कि यहाँ का जो इस product में जितना भी investment किया हुआ है उसको divestment किया जाए, वहाँ से का उस plant को completely sold out करके वहाँ का जो investment है उसको किसी और जगह पे लगाया जाए. Now, what are the feasible strategy? See, feasible strategy, invest more money so that market share can be increase. या तो यहाँ ज्यादा पैसा employ किया जाए तो ये इसका मार्केट शेयर किसी तरह इंक्रीज हो पाए, या फिर हार्वेस्ट व्हाट कैन बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड एंड देन क्लोज डाउन. हार्वेस्ट का मतलब होता है शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए इसमें कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया जाए ताकि ये शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए कम से कम स्टेबल हो मार्केट में. देन डाइवेस्ट दैट यू नीड प्रोडक्ट लाइन. दिस इज द ऑप्शन. नाउ what is the conclusion is all about, see, question mark is a product. You can say it has probability to become star also, and it can be become dog also. तो यहाँ पे हमारा दो ऑप्शन होता है, या तो डाइवेस्टमेंट कर दिया जाए या और ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें किया जाए, सो दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट किया जाए, प्रोडक्ट को थोड़ा साउंड बनाया जाए. स्टार तो ऑब्वियसली मार्केट लीडर है, इट प्रोवाइडिंग कैश टू हेल्प अदर्स ऑल्सो. देन कैश काउ, इट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड मच इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये अपना मार्केट में एक स्टेबल पोजीशन बना के रखा हुआ है. एंड डॉग के पास एक ही ऑप्शन है कि इस प्रोडक्ट को डाइवेस्टमेंट किया जाए, इस प्रोडक्ट लाइन को हटाया जाए, और यहां से इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है दैट शुड बी जो वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन हैंड ऑफ कंपनी दैट शुड बी इन्वेस्टेड इन सम अदर एरिया. सो दिस इज द concept of BCG model. It is very easy to understand through this chart. So students, if you have any problem, then you can consult me, you can message me. Okay, in my next video I will explain you DPM model, that is directional policy matrix, and that will one step ahead than BCG model. Okay, thank you.